Hi everyone, my name is Carlos. I'm here today with my friend Frank from Tree Vantage. I have a particular problem since I have done so many canopy changes in my grove. One of the problems that we have when we decapitate the tree is sunburn. I will be showing you now as I speak some of the pictures of how this looks. Usually when the tree that's pointing to the southwest, the sun goes that way, and when the tree loses its canopy, the bark gets very susceptible and start actually burning, and eventually it falls off and dies off, causing all sorts of problems. Insects come into that bark, and I'm trying to find a way that this bark will recover rather quickly. So we're gonna clean the trees up, and we're gonna use Tree Vantage to promote the growth and the health of the tree bark in these particular trees that I have done canopy change. This is the part of the tree that got sunburned. You could probably on the video don't see much of it, but it is totally dead from here to here. You're gonna see now how the dead bark, you see how it comes out. So, oh, ants. Incredible, huh? All that is sunburn. This branch here is not doing much, but get in the way of cleanup. Now it's pretty clean up. I'm just going to scrape a bit this area here with this tool. Some beetle holes in there. Beetles love this type of decay, and we cannot afford beetles because these beetles carry all sorts of pathogens. It keeps giving more and more and more. All of these have to come out. This is why this needs to get done, because we have beetles inside. We have beetles inside. I didn't get it. We have beetles nesting inside. These are big bark beetles that come in to rest and nest inside this damaged bark. That's why it is so important to spend the time to clean it. This is the stuff that happens when bark is dead and you don't take care of it in your trees. I know it's a lot of work, it's a lot of work for me, but after seeing this, I'm convinced that this problem that I have with the bark needs to be fixed, and I need to address it, or it's going to get a lot worse with time.
Inches high. It's 40 inches high, 6 inches across at the widest part. And 26 inches.
Let's hit it with.
So almost a quarter of the tree
hit it with.
is exposed.
This is the tree after the application of tree bandage. We always have to learn something from what we have done, and what have I learned today? That you may have some bark damage that visibly it's not bad, but once you start digging into it, it could turn out to be a real bad situation that could have eventually compromised the tree. We're gonna come back to these trees in about 6 months, and we're gonna see how they are doing after this cleanup and this application of tree bandage that we have made.